Now, welcome to today's edition for newspaper headline review. Now, the paper when he make the headline today, now it be this one. Today, Wednesday, 20th November 2019. I am not afraid of death, says Obasanjo. Obasanjo don't talk and say he no dey fear to die again. Say he no be coward, na only coward na dey fear to die. Say the years when he don't spend for this life, he no dey fear again. Say anything when wan happen, make it happen. For that reason, he go begin to talk. If he eye see bad thing or hear anything wey not good for our country, Nigeria, he go begin to talk and anything when wan happen, make it happen. Say he don't ready. If na die, make him die. Say if you talk true, you die. You talk a lie, you die. Make him talk true, die. Obasanjo talk this word for inside meeting when they hold 2 days interactive session of the Presidential Youth Mentorship Retreat held at the Youth Development Center, Olusegun Obasanjo Presidential Library, Abeokuta. Now there, Obasanjo for talk the time when they teach all of them how leader could they do things. Oshowore instigating violence from custody, says DSS. The Department of State Service, DSS, they don't talk and say Omoyele Oshowore when they put for inside cell, put for one place, make they see some. Say for inside cell when they put on Omoyele still they organize a rally. Say revolution now is still they go on for inside the cell. Say Oshowore for inside say they tell people for outside, from inside say they tell people from outside say make them put fire for Nigeria, make them destroy everywhere. Say the protest Oshowore see the organizer for inside say that this one I make them not agree leave Oshowore. Say they not agree free am because if they free Oshowore, bad thing will happen because the guy is still there inside say they mobilize for outside. How violent will they take place, how they will take bonfire, burn Nigeria, destroy everywhere. Now so the talk na DSS na talk not be me. Fake policemen disrupted pools. IG of Police, Inspector General of Police, Mohammed Adamu, don't come out talk and say election when they do on Saturday, on the 16th of November 2019, say na fake police na full and pass. People when conduct the election, the officer say na fake police na full inside. Say the politician they go market, go buy clothes, so and give their supporters, make them wear like police officer. Now they help they destroy everywhere, scatter everywhere. Now so IG of Police talk. He talk this one when he go meet Buhari for office. Now Buhari na him go there. Or Tuesday night tell Buhari this one when he go meet am. Tell am say how the thing take go for the election. Say they don't do the investigation. They don't do am well. Say now 11 people now they don't arrest for the matter. People when they wear the uniform. Say you still talk and say the police when be say now they send, they get special something when they give them when they take they identify them. You know they take no say police when politician carry con na even e don't even many pass their own when they take do the election. Edo APC crisis worsen as Oshomole accused Shaibu others of betrayal. Oshomole don't cry, they don't talk and say e belle dey pain am well. He not dey happy. Say person when he not believe say he go fit betray am, he don't betray am. Say he old godson, political godson don't betray him. I wish he don't die, go heaven. He can't see say Philip Shaibu betray him. He say him body for pepper am. If of him verse come on for heaven self. Say now in their life, if they see Shaibu, they betray him. Say not good at all. Shaibu will not feel win his poly boot when he dey campaign. He can't stand for and say you must be there. Now he do am. Now he be your guy, we do the thing, put down for that place. Now, Shaibu don't be a deputy governor of Edo State. He don't betray him. Say this one not good. Say in the watch Shaibu with one eye. He talk this one where the youth of Yanomo come meet am. come greet am for house. E never reach anything na Shaibu fire back. Shaibu say, I no betray you, daddy, oga patapata, my manager, my oga, I no betray you. Na the road when you show us na we dey pass. Na you tell us say godfather e no good. Now you wan make yourself godfatherism. We no need am because you talk am. Na wetin you show us na we follow. Na you show us the road na we follow. We no betray you. Na this one na Shaibu still tell the boys wey still come for their side, come to meet am for government house. Na he tell them say he no betray him oga or Shomole. Say na road wey Shomole show them na him dey pass. Jose Mourinho as head coach of Tottenham. Mourinho don come back to EPL again. This time around na Tottenham na come carry am. Say make he dey coach them till 2023. After they don sack their former manager Mauricio Pochettino on Tuesday evening. They talk and say the man he no fit do anything this season at all. Say they don play 12 matches, na only 3 na don fit win. For that reason they don tire. Na they tell am say make he comot. He can't go look for Joseph Mourinho now and make it come. They take care of them. Then we see how Mourinho will take carry Tottenham for 14th position, come first position. We dey watch. Now this one now we get for today's newspaper. Tomorrow we'll bring another one for now. Tomorrow na another day. Tomorrow make una still watch and listen. Please don't forget to subscribe. 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 Kuna subscribe.